Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you probably have a problem where your Facebook pixel isn't tracking conversations on Shopify or conversions actually. Your ads won't perform properly, so in today's Mochi tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to fix Facebook pixel not working in Shopify in 2026. So, let's get started. Well, first you should go to your settings, look for customer events, and verify the correct pixel ID. You can also go to Shopify here, look for your settings as well. There is this customer accounts, look for any sign up links, customer accounts, customers sign in with one-time code sent to their email, no password. You can check this authentication issues and store credits and a lot of options here. Use the Facebook Events Manager. Check for warnings or any missing events. Remove the duplicate pixel code. Multiple pixel installations can break tracking. Disable also any conflicting apps by going to settings and apps. If you see any apps that add scripts that can override the pixel, make sure you turn it off or just uninstall it from here. Give them a quick reason, then tap on uninstall. Check the cookie consent banner. This pixel may wait for basically consent before firing. Test with the helper, and as a last resort, you should always contact the support if it's a huge problem for you. Send them some screenshots, tell them about your problem, send them your store name and everything else, and they're gonna help you, of course. And that's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.